Hi friends, today we'll be discussing about zone of coagulation, zone of stasis and zone of hyperemia of pathophysiology classification of zones of burns, okay, in detail in today's lecture. So what is zone of coagulation? What do you see here? You see here congestion, right? Coagulation, that is no viable cells, all dead cells which are not living will be accumulated in this zone of coagulation, okay. And in zone of stasis, what do you see? You see a mixture of living as well as dead cells, that is viable and non-viable cells. And what do you see in zone of hyperemia? Zone of hyperemia is in peripheral region, so you will have only mostly viable cells, okay. And vasodilation is also prominent here, so you'll be getting reddish appearance, okay. This is what Jackson's zone of burn injury. Now next topic we are going to discuss about classification of burns, which is an important university essay. So classification of burn, so best is based on etiology, that is based on the causes of occurrence of burns. So what are the main causes? You know very well, due to any heat, heat, if you touch hot objects you will get a burn, right? So thermal cause and electrical cause, due to shock also you will get a burn injury, and also due to chemicals, very hot chemicals you will be getting burns, and also a cold frostbite, that is if excess of cold, very cold objects if we touch also we will get some injury, that is burns only, it still comes under burns. So ionizing radiation is also another cause for burns, okay. So based on etiology you can really easily classify. So under thermal we have two categories, that is scalds and flame burn and contact burn. What is scald? Scald means moist heat, like steam, okay, like steam. If you expose your bodies of skin to steam, you'll get the thermal burns. And dry heat, that is due to flame, so due to heat from the flame, if the skin contacts with the heat evolved from the flame, okay, so that is also a thermal burn which comes under dry heat, okay. There is no liquid, actually just complete flame burn and contact burn, okay. And based on the depth of burn we have four categories, that is first degree, second degree, third degree and fourth degree is also very important. So first degree involves only epidermis, second degree involves dermis, third degree involves all the three, epidermis, dermis and subcutaneous tissue, and the fourth degree includes in-depth part, okay. In-depth means like fascia, muscles or bones, okay. So fourth degree is very dangerous, okay. Third degree very simple, subcutaneous tissue, epidermis and dermis, okay. So second degree is only dermis and the first degree is only the epidermis. So first degree there is no much damage, okay. But in fourth degree, as you go higher degree, the severity of injury due to burns is very high, okay. That's all for today's session. Thank you.